How to create a workflow. Select workflow from side menu. Then select add workflow icon. Type your workflow name in input box. Choose category if needed, then click next. There are some default workflows templates you can choose according to your need. Or else you can create your own workflow template by clicking create new template. Now you can create a template by following the steps. Edit form name and selection header if needed. Click field and you can see several input types. Select any of the input types for your template. Now we see an example how to add input type. Let's select radio button. Then type label name. For example, let's type check and adjust thermostat. Then click add option. Then enter values for radio button as your need. Use mandatory toggle button for your priority. Then click done. To add another field, click add field. Select checkbox. Then type label name. And do as we done before. You can also see the changes in mobile view. Also you can edit button color as per your need. Then after finish adding your fields, then click save template. And now you created your own template.